Oh, and there's waders. There's water in my waders now. Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. We're out here today at an unknown destination and we're duck hunting for the last time. It's the last morning that these decoys are going to see water. It's the last morning that we're going to be able to hunt for about 8 months. So we're out here. There's some good birds out here, and I also fell in the water, and there's water in my waders as well, so that put a damper on the hunt, but we're still out here, so we're gonna hunt, and we'll let you guys know what we shoot. The boat went right there last time, but I think we might be able to put the boat, if we ram it up in there, I can push down the car right, and then we'll sit right here on this edge in here. That's where me and Chase sat right here last time. There was something like what? Like a little line, kind of like aiming that way and back towards the other. We could probably sit on the front when it gets light outside, move back probably. We'll probably house them really early.
Huh? Your waders? What do you mean?
To get pictures. I got clothes under this.
Did you soaking wet? Did you ride in naked?
I'm saying you can.
Oh. Gotcha.
That was a Nana question. You gonna ride home naked? Help me up real fast. You get in the water?
Yeah, I hit a hole.
Was there water in your wader?
No, not yet.
It was close.
It was very close. Time to go. Wrong, but wet, bro. Dark and flat, yeah.
Tell them just to my right. There's a tusset we're on.
That was a huge ass hole. I couldn't get the bottom.
Oh, I know, it's terrible. Okay. And a little bit of water, see? If that's what you want to.
And now it's a slurry because I fell in. My phone's broken. My hands are cold.
Shows are wet.
It's a great morning. You can pee in my waders, it'll be alright. I was so mad this morning without coffee. You haven't had any coffee yet?
No. You should have went to the gas station.
She's not gonna drink it.
Are you gonna introduce can't see any kind of honey.
He cried he cried last night when I told him he couldn't come today.
Oh.
I said, not this time, buddy. I said, we'll start shooting your 410 and...
Yep, throughout the off season, get you good. And Daddy's gonna shoot some too.
Yeah, I need to.
Wish that's how it was. These are ducks. Here they come. Let them land, let them land. Oh. And there's waders. There's water in my waders now.
Come back.
You missed them?
Yeah, you missed them too.
Because I shot the one that was 50. Oh my gosh, there's water in my waders now. Did you see me fall in that hole?
What? Come on. Don't shoot, don't shoot. That's for me, for sure.
Don't shoot. Don't shoot. Don't move.
Freaking sick. See on video? That was better. They do that every time I do.
There's definitely a large amount of them here, especially at this lake. Anytime we stay in, don't shoot. Hold on. Come back. There's two in the water, don't move.
They're gonna swim in here. They're coming this way. They're gonna swim right through these. You see them?
Mm-hmm.
I wanna shoot that drake. I need to shoot him now before take a shot. It's good. Do it with me. Ready? I got the one, right? Or I got the one on the left. Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Ready? I got the one on the right, or I got the one on the left. Ready? 3, 2, 1. We got the drake. You're a full choke, hit him. If I had a little bit tighter of a choke, then I would have got that hen, but they look like they're going that way. They were swimming that way, so I wanted to go ahead and get them now before they got too far.
I do agree with that. Because it looked at first, they looked like they were coming closer, and then it looked like they were trying to get to that. Because if they would have got to those other side, we would have been able to get them.
But then Drake's wanting to land right there, so I think them birds are wanting to land right there. I don't know why, but there's something that makes them want to land over there. Did you hear those drakes coming in on video though?
Yeah, but it wasn't flying. It was just sitting
pretty
there.
duck.
Pretty one.
Just hand grenade them in the boat from here.
Oh, I need to get more shells.
Duck.
Duck.
Oh, she's so bitch.
Here comes your duck.
I got pieces.
Flared.
And I dropped my damn hot hands in the water.
Damn. I should have shot that. It's too far though. He might come back. Hold on, he's turning.
He's turning. He's coming. He's coming back. I'll shoot him up high. I'm gonna shoot him. Come down here. We're getting enough to go that way. Good. This is very close. We're gonna do that. I don't have that. They could if they wanted to.
They're turning. They're turning.
You see those?
Yes.
Oh my word. Don't move, nobody move. I told you. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Oh my god. There's still 2 behind us.
I don't want to shoot these. I don't want to shoot these.
Yeah, I don't want. They're still coming in.
They're going to that prairie. They're going to that other prairie.
You'd have to ask Uncle Michael, but
Oh
it
my
was
God.
it was like
I got one. Oh, let's go. We shot 2. I got one. Oh, let's go. We shot 2, baby. Let's go. I folded that one. You got that? Let's go, dude. You said, hey, hey. I was like, hey.
reload.
Dude, look at the feathers coming off. Let's go, dude.
I didn't even have time to get the camera.
Freaking awesome, dude. Holy cow, they came right. I told you they were gonna come over here.
Dude, they were flying so slow. So slow.
I know, they're perfect.
My hands were
That's why I
freaking
love
frozen.
them.
I'm like,
He said, hey, hey. I was like, what?
holy cow.
They came.
Did you get that? No, I didn't have time.
Dude, I had one. I folded one. I shot again. I missed, and I had my third one, but it didn't cycle. I had to repump it, and then I tried to get on my last
At least
bird.
you got 2 out of that one.
Dude, they were flying, and they curved this way too. They helped us.
Yeah, there's one there.
Yours went down right there. So, have you ever shot at Whistler before? Yeah. That's my third one I've ever shot.
I'm glad you've seen that, dude. Because
He said, hey, hey. I was like, what? I was like, oh. They were
I
right.
had my gun on safety and everything.
It felt like so fake to you and like pull up and shoot at them. I was like, what am I doing right now? I'm just gonna do it. And that thing folded. Thing got ka-chowed. That's like the size of a mallard. It's crazy. Ooh, that one. Ooh. Tree ducks, baby. Because this evening we're gonna get it.
Yeah, there.
Oh yeah. Here we go. Oh, Hunter, you might be able to poke one. Poke one, Hunter. Shoot one. Lead it. Lead one.
I was getting real close to the back.
I know.
Real close.
Yeah.
Real close. And I fell in the hole like right when I squeezed the trigger. And I got my jacket wet for that.
You literally, I think you I don't know if you hit one, but it was dang close.
That was a long shot.
Oh my God. Dang, dude. They always come back. Like, we should have been smarter than that. I could have shot one of those.
They ain't done yet.
No way they could. Oh my gosh, you're coming this way. Almost, but no. They landed down?
Let's just walk over there and drop them off.
We could.
Oh, dude, I forgot about my
Oh, your phone?
Oh, this is so bad, dude.
Does it still work?
It should be working.
That's what we were hearing, remember?
What's up?
What?
It almost fell?
Wait.
What's it? I don't know. Is it an anaconda?
I don't like it. What?
Was it a gator? I don't know. Something tapped my thigh.
Seriously?
The back of my thigh. See now everything's touching everything's touching me now. Everything's touching me now.
No, but I wonder if they've been sitting right where they are
I see
all
them
morning.
swimming right there.
Too far to shoot though? From here? Too far to shoot from here or no?
From here, yes, because you got a line of sight.
We can go walk over there.
You can try it. I don't care.
Be very slow. Oh, go. Sorry, I'm gonna knock you off now.
Oh, dude, they're right there. Hey, be careful.
4. We got 4 of them down, baby. Not get up. Oh, let me stand for a second. Put the old spot stock on them. Huh? Put the old spot stock on them. Black-bellied tree ducks, tree whistlers. We dang near could have got the whole entire group.
Almost did. Only 2 got up.
Almost. We got a lot. That was awesome. I think we're gonna call it a that. Yeah, it's this one right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. They'll be back. There'll be more. That's the first time I've seen them out here though on Friday when we were taking pictures.
Well,
I was thinking awesome.
it's probably the same birds.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that's a wrap for today. Hopefully there was some good footage. I don't know. You missed a couple, but then I think he got us shooting the majority of these, and then we shot this ring neck first thing this morning. Today we shot 6, so we shot a 1-man limit of whistlers and then 1 ring neck. So we had more opportunities, but they were missed. But you know, I would much rather eat these than a ring neck. So we're gonna go back home and clean them up, and then maybe cook them up for today, or for lunch today, or dinner, or just put them in the freezer for later on the road. So anyway, I hope you guys are able to enjoy the video, and hopefully it was a good video, and definitely like and subscribe, and we'll catch you guys later.